Wallstreet analysts are predicting a decline in housing prices from 5 to 20% in 2023. And last week, Fortune reported that while Morgan Stanley expects home prices to fall 10% by 2024, the firm also stated that a 20% crash is possible. Hello, and welcome to another episode of This Week in Tampa Bay Housing for the week ending December 3rd, 2022. This week, I'm coming to you from one of our open houses in the beautiful community of Hunting Creek in Trinity, Florida. Now, you know, folks, the national housing market continues its shift, and so does the market here in Tampa Bay. And we'd like to ask a favor of you. If you're enjoying our weekly housing market updates, please take a moment to tag some of your friends that you think might find them useful. And also, please subscribe to our Team Vergadamo YouTube channel, where you will discover a wealth of information about Tampa Bay, and so that you will never miss another update of what's happening in housing in this rapidly changing real estate market. So here are our numbers. For the combined counties of Pasco, Pinellas, and Hillsborough, looking at the 7-day period ending December 3rd, 2022, there were 11,122 active residential properties for sale. This actually represents a slight decrease of about 47 homes from last week and an increase of 154 homes available for sale from last month. Now, you know, as I've said before in other episodes, this is normally a slow time of year for us. This is the month of December, and people are getting ready for the holidays and usually don't put their homes on the market. But that's not been the case this year. And you can see why we love sunny Florida here in the month of December. Seller inventory is increasing as the housing market continues to shift. This week, 920 new listings entered our market. 1,767 listings had price reductions. This is a direct indication that the market was not accepting the listing price of those homes. This equates to almost 16%, which means that 1 in 6 active listings reduced their asking prices last week. This is sure different than we were seeing just a few short months ago. 944 listings went under contract for a closing date sometime later in the future. 1,225 properties actually closed and were sold. To put this in very simple terms, more homes are entering the market and less homes are selling. Now, some good news. Interest rates for a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, according to Freddie Mac, averaged 6.49%, down by 0.09% over last week, and down for the third consecutive week, but still up considerably from the January 2022 low of 3.22% as concerns about the recession continue to rise. Now, to put this in perspective, in January at 3.22%, the monthly payment for a 30-year, $300,000 mortgage would have been $1,301. At today's rate of 6.49%, the monthly payment for that same $300,000 mortgage would be $1,894 for a difference of $593 per month. Now, the Fed has not raised their rates in the last few weeks, but they are talking about maybe a softer raise in the coming weeks. Now, while the Fed is not tied directly to mortgage rates, or while the Fed rate is not tied directly to mortgage rates, it's possible that mortgage rates could rise in the near future, but let's keep our fingers crossed and hope that we see a stabilization or an actual decline. Wall Street analysts are predicting a decline in housing prices from 5 to 20% in 2023. And last week, Fortune reported that while Morgan Stanley expects home prices to fall 10% by 2024, the firm also stated that a 20% crash is possible. Interesting times. Now, if you're interested in getting more information about your specific home in your neighborhood, please reach out to us and we will be happy to prepare a detailed market analysis tailored to your unique situation. This is Paul with Team Vergadamo and eXp Realty. And remember, folks, it's so very important in these changing times of economic uncertainty that if you are even thinking about selling or buying a home, you need the advice of a real estate expert to help you navigate through our current real estate market. You know, I've said before that anyone can pilot a ship in calm seas. Well, the waters have certainly gotten rough. And in these rough real estate waters and uncertain times, Team Vergadamo has the experience, the skills, and the certainty you need to help you reach your real estate goals. Because, as we say, who you hire truly matters. I want to thank you again for watching, and have a great week. And if you like what we're doing, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Team Vergadamo YouTube channel. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.